So I've got my RFID pouch holder here. Now this was sent to me by the seller so I can go ahead and show you all the features. What I love about it initially is that this is all family owned in the USA. They donate 1% of all their proceeds to education, ocean cleanup, and planting trees. Now this has RFID blockers in here. If you have, say, a passport or anything that has an RFID chip in it, it's going to block that because you do have criminals that can go ahead and get that information when it's not blocked. It's transmitting that data out there and they can just pick it up. We've got several pockets you'll see right up here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 right on the front. Got nice YKK zippers here, so they're all metal. We've got little, almost like little lanyards right here, pull tabs, so it's easy to grab. Now, of course, you can wear this whether you're traveling, you're just going out to the grocery store, or you're going on vacation. And you can see in here, this is the liner in here. So you can put your credit cards in here, money, passports, and for instance, I've got 2 passports in here, and there's still plenty of room to put in more. So you could wear this on the outside of your clothes, the inside of your clothes. You can hide it. This has all ripstop nylon, so it's super strong. Got really good stitching through here, and just look how thin it is. So you can easily carry this, and it's not going to stick out from your clothes, which I really like that. So besides the pockets that we have here on the front, nice and large. Let me show you this one here too. This is the top one. It's really large up there. And it also has a mesh divider in here. So now you've got 2 different sections. And then on the back side, we even have another one. This is Velcro. So you can open that and put even more things in there. Maybe just some money, coins, just whatever you need to. And of course, we've got this adjustable strap. Now the strap, it's got a little bit of give in here, so it's made a little bit different material than the ripstop. And you can also adjust it right here by pressing this button. And you can get that as short or as long as you need. I love that it's family owned in the USA. RFID blockers in here, so I can put my passports in here, credit cards, all those kind of things. Keep it all safe and secure next to my body. It's nice and thin. Of course, this is the black. It comes in multiple colors. So you can get every color that you want to. It's just really nice, easy to use, and I think it's a great product. Hope you found this review helpful.